QD English Learn with us.
Future simple. Questions and answers.
My future.
Listen,
And repeat.
what will your future be like?
I hope it will be bright.
What job will you do?
I think I will be a doctor.
Will you make a lot of money?
I am sure I will be rich.
Where will you live?
I will live in a big house in the country.
Will you drive a car?
Of course, I will get my driving license when I'm 18.
Will you get married?
I will get married when I'm 25.
Will you have any children?
Yes, I will have 2 children, a boy and a girl.
What will you do in your free time?
I will probably travel to exotic countries.
Will you become famous?
I doubt I will become famous.
Will you be a happy person?
I hope I will be happy.
Listen,
And answer.
what will your future be like? What job will you do? Will you make a lot of money? Where will you live? Will you drive a car? Will you get married? Will you have any children? What will you do in your free time? Will you become famous? Will you be a happy person?
QD English Learn with us.